Today I will show you how I been restoring the dashboard from 1973 Dodge Charger. The dashboard was a very bad state, lots of cracks, and I decided to just renovate it and do it right way. Hello, that's me again, Mr. J, and my dashboard. Ready to put some leather on it. You wanna see it? I hope so. Come on, let's start. As you can see, I just smooth it out and glue it all the cracks on it, and now I will put some leather on it. Okay, I've got some degreaser and we're gonna clean it, everything from the dust and oil and everything, shitty things. Okay. We're gonna clean it and then we cut the leather to size, more or less, yeah, and we're gonna play with it. Okay, by the way, sorry for the noise, neighbors playing. Okay. Oh, good. That is my piece of leather for this project, straight from Jaguar's suppliers. Yeah, as you can see, I got plenty. If something goes wrong, I can cut another piece and we can play together, but I hope so, we'll be fine, everything's right. Just first of all, rough cut, and then we will play with it and we trim it after gluing to the dash. Okay, I've done some bit. I'm using this glue, very good glue, and very quickly dries. And then I did not expect that would be as that fast, and I'm a little bit struggling with it, but I hope so will be fine for my needs. It will be much better than it was before with the cracks and everything. Now it's good. Leather. Okay, quick update. Done little bit here, and then all the front. I've been using the stick, yeah, and gently follow the line. Gently follow the line. And that's it, what we got now. Also, I've done a little bit here. I'm waiting till this dries because now it's getting very difficult. But because you see that I've got the big part of this and I have to somewhere hide it, stretch, maneuver, hold this leather to fit. We'll see how it goes. The same is in this side, same thing, because on this side I've got quite a bit leather as well, just about 10 centimeters still need to be done. There is angle, there is angle, and there is angle, and I have to stretch in many different angles. I need to stretch this side, this side, this side, and this side, and this side. Quite a lot of things. We'll see how it goes then. I've done this side just at this moment. The few bits and bobs need to be finished. This corner is done, top is done, and I start stretching leather in this corner. I'm getting there. Yeah, it's lots of forcing, lots of stretching, but I'm getting there soon. Sunday, third day of the fighting with the dashboard. Right, like you see, most challenging part is almost finished, just a bit of here, and most challenging part will be this corner where I will playing with today. I will play with this today. Probably that will take me whole day to get to straight moment where I can continue smoothly, but that will be most challenging part this day. Right, it's not perfect here, some wrinkles, but that is underneath, you barely see this. It's not bad. This, I just started this bit, then you can see that it's still need to be worked out. And this bit, I finished this section, yeah, this most annoying one, where I supposed to start it from this. I supposed to start it from this corner, and go around it. But you see, I find out this hard way. Anyway, I had to cut some relief cuts in the middle of the part, and then it's much easier to move about with the leather. Just left some clamps to keep it glue sticks, because there is still pressure on it, but it's less pressure on the corner there. But when I leave it on for whole night, now properly sticks. Hi guys, it's another week passed and I still playing with this. Just you know, I'm playing with this maybe 2 hours per week, more or less, 2-3 hours per week. Almost finished. Just the corner here and corner here, plus trimming the leather on the ends. Today I will try to do this bit. At the moment I try to lighten the leather a little bit, so you know, there is lots of wrinkles is here, yeah, when I doing like that, yeah. When I trim it, the skin leather will be much thinner, there will be less wrinkles on it, and that's what I'm doing, yeah. It's not much left, you see there, when I do it like that, you got massive wrinkle here, massive wrinkle here. I've got steaming machine, also I've got the heat gun, and I'm gonna try to fix that thing. Okay, let's do it. It's time to move on. Now we're gonna do some grooves, yeah. Most of them are done already. Just this corner need to be fixed a little bit better. I will use a heat gun and a 1.5mm wire, and I will clamp this corner using the grips or clamps, whatever that's, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is done, just bits and bobs left to do. Top part of the dash, and later on we screw this top part to the lower part of the dash, and then we can put it to the car. Okay, to paint this I will use Hammerite black matte. Dash is painted. Now I'll install the plastic bit with the vents on it. Okay, vents are in. Now we can put all the section together. Dashboard is complete, all parts together, screwed in, and so they are ready for another day to put it into the car. Now just this left to do, and then we can sort it out another stuff which waiting for my attention, but that will be in another episode of my channel. Have fun, like, share, subscribe. See you then.